Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about the builder palette. It's a creational design palette that allows you to construct complex objects step by step, and the builder class provides the fluent methods to set each property. This structured approach facilitates a sequential configuration process, ensuring the clarity and ease of use. And in this example I have a car object and I create my car builder for customize my object. Let's see an example in Java. This is the car object I created with these properties, and also I create the car builder class, which initialize some methods to customize the object. The demo or the main class is just the creation of the car builder object. With you can add or remove these methods, and just let's see the example. Okay, it just prints the new card I created using or applying the builder pattern. Thank you, and I hope this tutorial helps you.